Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine. In this video, we inform you about commercial vehicle accident lawyer. The truck industry is quickly growing in US because our 70% of consumer goods make their way to their final destination via large trucks. Viewers, commercial drivers and accidents, because commercial drivers are professional drivers who spend much of their times behind the wheels of large vehicles. They are held to strict safety rules and regulations. In fact, both the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration FMCSA and the US Department of the Transportation DOT enforce strict regulations that truckers and other commercial vehicles drivers. Furthermore, each state implement additional safety standards. The government heavily regulates truckers because semi-truck accidents are so exceedingly dangerous. When you get behind the wheel of your car, you take on the responsibility of driving safely and helping to keep the road safer for everyone. Truck drivers shoulder even more exacting safety responsibilities. Commercial truck driver error. Consumer demand drivers or drives the trucking industry, and as this demand continues to skyrocket, so to do harsh demands on truckers and trucking companies alike. Both truckers are companies that employ them feel the sitting of their ever growing demand and attendant scheduling constraint as a result to safety rules and regulations sometimes gets lost in shuffle. This does not, however, mitigate the responsibility that both truckers and trucking companies owe to save the trucking. Viewers, the trucking industry is quickly growing in the US because our 70% of consumer goods make their way to their final destination by a large truck. Trucking can be a business and a good source of income for drivers, but the industry has one of the highest fatality rates in the US. There has been a 52% increase truck accident deaths since 2009. Viewers, how truck accident death victims are passengers of other vehicles and not the drivers of the truck themselves. 68% of all truck accident fatalities are passengers in other vehicles. Even more alarming, 74% of all fatal injury crashes involve a large truck. Dispute what you may think, most truck accidents occur on a major roads and not highways or interstates. As a passenger in a much smaller vehicles, you must take precautions to protect yourself and your passengers from large truck accidents. But even if you take all the right precautions, accidents can still happen. Viewers, if you are involved in a truck accident and you have been injured, call Ali Awad, the CEO lawyer of your case. The CEO lawyer is a founder and managing attorney of one of the fastest growing law firm in the country. The CEO personal injury law firm with our 1 million followers on social media. Ali Award has reputation for giving free legal advice to his followers. You can trust the CEO lawyer and his injury and accident attorney to ensure you are receiving the best legal advice and top settlement for your truck accident. Viewers, common cases of large truck accident, as I mentioned, large truck accident are on the rise in the US. Large trucks are still the best way to move consumer goods across the country as demand for production increases, especially due to the pandemic. More and more trucks are on the road. If you are traveling on a roadway with large trucks, it is important to keep in mind that trucks cannot maneuver as quickly as a car and how have a much poorer visibilities. Therefore, as a passenger vehicle driver, you are expected to use extra cautions when traveling alongside large trucks. However, you can be doing everything right and still find yourself injured after accident with a large truck. In 2007, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration FMSCA conduct a large scale study of truck accident, the reason behind them. They broke their finding down into three categories: critical events, critical reasons, and associated factors. Viewers, semi truck and tractor trailers cause many accidents in every day because their vehicles are so large, typically weighing as much as 30 times more than a car. Viewers, I hope you all are fine. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.